Most Nigerians think the only way to make money from crypto is trading. But there is another way, earning passive income while you sleep. Today I am showing you exactly how. Passive income in crypto means your assets are working for you 24 hours a day, generating returns without you actively trading or monitoring charts. There are three main methods I am covering today. Number 1, staking. Number 2, yield farming. Number 3, P2P arbitrage.
Method 1 is staking. Staking means locking your crypto in a blockchain network to help validate transactions.
On Bybit, you can stake directly inside the app. Open Bybit, go to the Earn section, select flexible staking or fixed-term staking, choose your coin and your lock periods. Current staking yields on Bybit range from 1 to 2% annually for USDT, all the way to 15% for coins like Ethereum.
Flexible staking lets you withdraw anytime but pays lower yields. Fixed-term staking locks your coins for 7, 14, or 30 days and pays higher yields.
The main risk in staking is price volatility. Your naira value decreases even though you are earning yield. This is why staking USDT is the safest option.
If you stake 100 USDT at 5% annual yield on Bybit, after 1 year that is 5 USDT earned just for holding.
Method 2 is yield farming. This is more advanced than staking. Yield farming means providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges.
The most accessible yield farming platforms for Nigerian beginners are Uniswap on Ethereum, PancakeSwap on BNB chain.
Important warning. Yield farming has a risk called impermanent loss. If the prices of your 2 deposited coins change significantly,
yield farming returns are typically higher than staking. However, the higher the yield, the higher the risk. Stick to established pools with proven track records.
Method 3 is P2P Arbitrage says, and this one is uniquely powerful for Nigerians. P2P arbitrage means buying crypto at a lower price on.
In Nigeria, price differences exist between Bybit P2P, Binance P2P, and local platforms because sellers set their own rates.
Buy 100 USDT at 1,580 tile, spend 158,000 naira, sell at 1,610, receive 161,000 naira.
P2P arbitrage risks include price changes while transferring between platforms, bank transfer delays causing you to miss the price. Realistic monthly earnings from passive crypto income in Nigeria. Staking 100,000 naira worth of USDT at 5% annually earns approximately. The key to meaningful passive crypto income in Nigeria is scale combined with compounding. Reinvest your staking rewards every month instead of withdrawing. Tap the menu, select Earn. You will see 3 sections: flexible products, fixed products, and DeFi mining. Start with flexible products.
Select USDT from the flexible products list. Enter the amount you want to stake. Minimum is usually 1 USDT. Tap subscribe. Your USDT is now earning daily interest that is credited to your account.
After subscribing to staking, you can track your earnings. Go to My Positions. You will see your staked amount, daily earnings, and total accumulated rewards. For yield farming and DeFi staking outside of Bybit, you need a self-custody wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Download Trust Wallet, to move funds from Bybit to Trust Wallet for DeFi yield farming, go to Bybit Assets, tap Withdraw, select your coin and network. 3 non-negotiable safety rules for crypto passive income in Nigeria. 1. Never stake or invest money you cannot afford to lose entirely. The most powerful approach is combining all 3 methods. Keep 60% of your passive income capital in USDT staking on Bybit for since. Month 1 to 3, set up staking on Bybit, start with USDT. Month 4 to 6, research DeFi platforms and add yield farming.
Passive crypto income is real. It is available to every Nigerian right now with as little as 5,000 naira. Start with USDT